How to delete messages on TikTok. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow if we want to delete our messages on TikTok. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up TikTok for that. And once we open up TikTok, we can look out for the inbox. So go ahead and tap on inbox, and that should lead us to another page, the inbox page. Once we are in the inbox page, what we can do is we can just go over and find the specific chat that we want to delete. So go ahead and open up a chat. For example, let's say these are the chat. Open it up. Once you open it up, you can select up a chat that you have sent. So go ahead and send it up. And once sent, you'll be finding your messages on your right hand side. So if you want to delete it, all you gotta do is long press on the chat and you'll be finding different options. So tap on delete. Delete for me. Usually delete for me option is only available on TikTok. So tap on it and go ahead and do, and the message will be deleted for yourself. That should remove the conversation from your side only. And that is it. If you want to remove up the whole chat, you can hold up the whole chat, and when you do, you'll be finding an option called delete. Go ahead and confirm it up, and that usually removes it for you, but not always for the other person. Depends on the message type and the timing. And that is it. These are the methods you can follow up to delete up your messages on TikTok. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.